What? Did you sleep good? Yeah? What? Say that again. Did you sleep good?
Yes.
Yeah? You sleepyhead. Love you.
Ew.
Their hair on there. Ooh, yucky. I love you.
Yeah.
Ready to get out?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
good.
was scared.
Come on.
I was scared.
You want to stay?
Yes.
You want to get out?
Mm-mm.
Okay. You're
I don't want to talk. Oh.
Look at this crazy hair. Oh my goodness. Crazy.
Look at mine.
Oh, morning hair's the best, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo! Hi.
I made this for my teacher.
Crazy hair, crazy hair. You know, we gotta get rid of those binkies.
Mom, I like saying crazy now.
You what?
Crazy?
You guys, your hair done?
Yeah.
We need to hurry. You guys are gonna be late for school.
I don't like saying crazy. I like saying crazy. You're crazy.
Hi.
See?
Yeah. Guess what? You're gonna get rid of those binkies here in the next couple days. No more binkies.
Babies?
Yeah, no more binkies.
Why?
Because you don't need them anymore. You need to put your flip-flops away. What is with all the flip-flops on the floor? Okay, come on. Let's go get Ada's hair done for school. Come on.
No, my hair done.
You want your hair done?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay, well, let's go get Ada's done first because she has to go to school. You're so cute.
I can't be late for school, Mom.
I know. Well, come on. Let's go get your hair done.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see your beautiful hair now. No more messy bedhead. So beautiful.
Stuff's in here.
Yeah.
I might put worms in here, like those tinsel worms. And
Hey.
give something to Emma.
You need to get your shoes on so you can get to school. Such a cute spring outfit you got on. It's getting spring outside. Whoa, it's so bright. Beautiful. The trees have leaves on them now. Most of them. Those ones are still kind of bare.
There's a pink one back there somewhere.
I know. In our backyard we have a pink
Wish
cherry
we could-
blossom one.
Wish we could show them to you. But it's like this Japan tree.
Okay, hey, shoes on, Missy. Up to it. Another day at school. 6 weeks left. Woo!
Woo-hoo. Wait.
6-week celebration dance.
Woo.
Huh? Yes. Oh, Clyde.
He's so cute, kitty cat.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, she's cool.
You can see him when we get back, okay? All right. Okay, how many binkies do you have in your hands? You can keep strapping her. Look! look at this. You have one in your mouth, one in that hand, and one in that hand. You are going to go through major withdrawal. I have to get those binkies taken away from you. Look at that face. She's like, woo! Love your hair. Stretched out on the ground.
Yeah, she only like me.
Crazy cat.
Crazy cat.
Yep. What show do you want to watch?
Mickey.
You want to watch Mickey?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No fights.
No spiders? You don't like spider?
No next fight.
You don't like spiders?
No.
No. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Emma.
I'll handle
Trance.
this. Wait, Draken, I saw them first.
I thought you didn't like this show. We're just watching some TV. Gonna have some breakfast, huh?
No,
And then we'll get you dressed and get your hair done. Yeah? Can you say hi?
Wait for me.
Can you say hi?
We have
Say
to
hi.
and you don't. Oh yeah.
There. Hey.
That's tough.
Let's test. Where's Sadie? Can you go outside, Sadie?
That's me.
That's Sadie. Okay, you eat your breakfast and watch Mickey.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Say you yeah.
Sadie, go outside.
Yes, he is to eat.
Doggies outside. You go outside too, Tess? God, it's a gorgeous day. Go outside. Gorgeous blue skies. Sadie. 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 Sadie? Can you get down here? Let me hold it for you. Okay, get down. You want to go give it to her?
Nothing. No, I can't. That's
Okay,
okay.
come on, out here. There's her. There she is. Go give it to her. Go give it to her out there. No, you got to take it to her out there. Okay, go down there. There you go, Sadie. Good job. Okay, should we go get you dressed? Tazzy already ate his food. See, his bowl's empty. He already ate his food. Yeah, he already ate his food.
I saved for Save me too.
Don't go out there yet. You're not dressed. We need to get some clothes on you. There's Nova.
What's that?
Nova's grandma and grandpa's dog, huh?
Yeah.
Is she visiting? She's visiting today. Okay, come on. Let's go get some clothes on you. Hey, what you doing?
Not yet. It's purples. Mom, there's fully eating it. Let's go.
Take your binky out. I can't understand you.
Mom, yeah, let's go.
You see the school?
Yeah.
You see Haley and, or Jared and Ada's school?
No.
Oh, I thought you said you did. What are you looking at out there?
Flowers?
Flowers?
See, that's flowers.
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
They're so pretty.
Yeah, it's purple.
They're purple?
Yeah. There's like this one. Mom,
What?
I see this one. Whoa, yeah, it's purple. Oh, red.
That's your nerd box. You ate them and then you threw them on the floor.
No, it's in my bed. Mommy, in my bed.
Oh, hey, put your blanket back up there.
Mommy, in
Now you have a different binky?
my... No.
What are you going to do with you in those? I know. Say no more binkies.
No, these.
Are you going to get rid of those binkies?
No.
No, put yours. I don't want to get your belly. Come here so I can get your belly. Come here so I can get it. Let me get it. Ooh, spin and spin. Let me see your socks. They match so lovely. Come here. Let me see. Bring them over here.
Bill, a take, and Bill.
You got to bring them closer. This is Mommy's phone camera. It doesn't zoom in very well. What's on there? You got some horsies.
Wolf, it's flowers.
You got horsies like the horsies we have in our backyard in the corral? What? Oh.
It's a horsey. See, it's Bill, a take.
And pink? Mm-hmm.
Bill, a take.
Blue, and pink?
Yeah,
Yeah?
mine.
What color are Mommy's socks?
A black, a white, a pink.
Black and white and pink?
Yeah.
What color is your shirt?
That's white.
White?
Yeah.
What color are the stars?
Just, yeah. It's my hands.
Those stars are holding hands?
No, take it off.
Oh. What
Yeah.
color is this star?
That's the holy hands.
What color is that? Those stars are holding hands?
Yeah. Yeah, that guy is holy hands at the top.
Oh, really?
See.
Are we chilling? Are we hanging out?
Whoa, it's pretty cool.
You look funny at that angle. It's like, woo, too close to your face.
I
What?
want Oops.
Oh, so nice. So nice. Okay. Okay, good job. Nice kisses.
Bye.
I guess she's saying bye for me. I wasn't even talking though.
Yeah, you're talking.
No, you're the one that's talking and being crazy.
No, you're talking.
No, you're the one that's talking.
No, you're talking.
No, you are.
No, you are. I got my bee.
Oh. Whoa, too close. Back up. Whoa.
Yes, yes.
That's enough kisses. Talk, say hi.
Hi.
Oh, stick your tongue out. Ew, don't lick my phone. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. We need to go get the kids from school, and then we need to go to the store. Oh my goodness. You okay? We
Okay.
need to go get stuff to make chicken tacos.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nacos?
Yeah.
Chicken nacos?
Yeah.
You like chicken nacos? Well, I like to eat chicken tacos, but I guess we can try chicken nacos tonight if you want.
Abby.
Ah!
Ah.
Eh, why do you always strangle me? You're so silly. Whoa.
I did my choice.
I wish I could have just like an ounce of her energy. In fact, I wish I like knew how to bottle it and sell it because I'd be a billionaire. I can never understand that why we start off with so much energy and then as we get older we lose the energy and then we're taking care of this craziness when we don't have near as much energy as they do. Can never figure that out. Woo! Now we're dancing.
Mom, go again.
Okay, press the button again. You want me to push it? Push it.
No, I can't.
You can't go all the way around the room. Marissa's home. Look, you want to see my drawings?
Look, it's a full fight.
Look. What did she say? You're a French fry? Look, what's this one? What's this one? A butterfly? That's a clover. What's this one? Yeah, it has big teeth. Giraffe has big teeth. What's this one? The tree. No, these are just papers. Marissa does such good art, huh? Show me the giraffe, Emma.
I have big teeth.
Can you show me? Has big teeth.
She has big teeth.
Is there a baby one and a mommy one? Aww.
That's a baby. That's mommy.
Yeah.
See? That's mom. That's a baby. That's mommy.
Really? Okay, we're on our way to go get Haley from school. She's been singing this song about getting Haley from school. So sing it.
That's school.
That's Haley's school. Is that the pretty song for her?
Yes.
Yes, you should sing it for her when she gets in the car. Okay? I'm on my way to get Haley from school. Emma decided to stay home with Marissa. But I don't know about any of the rest of you moms. And sorry, I should have my seatbelt on, but it's literally like right around the corner. I decided to put it on. I don't know about the rest of you moms, but I am like so ready for school to be out. They have like 5.5 weeks left, almost 6. And I am so ready. I'm just so done with the homework and the projects and the getting up early in the morning. And I mean, I like to be on a schedule and be on a routine, but I'm just done with this one and want to be just on a summer routine and not have to worry about all that stuff. So, but I don't know, probably after they've been home for a couple weeks, I'll probably be ready for them to go back. But as of right now, I am just like so done, and they are so done, and so it's hard to get them to focus sometimes because they're just, you know, it's getting warm outside, and so they want to be done. And anyway, I don't know if any of you guys are going through that right now, but I am. How was your day?
It was pretty great.
It was pretty great, that's all.
Yeah.
Why was it just great?
No, it was fantastic.
I like the voice you're talking in.
Yes.
Aww. She says, do it again, Daddy. Is that a good quesadilla? Yeah? Now this phone has really bad like quality for video.
Really?
Is that good? Emma, is that good? Yeah?
Step out, this is mine. Mine.
You want some of Daddy's quesadilla? Or fajitas? Emma, look at Mommy. Tell Daddy where you told Mommy you wanted to go to today. Did you hear her?
You can go to Disneyland. We can't go there anymore. It's closed. It blew up.
So fun. We just barely went there. We just barely went. She tells me like 5 times a day.
Can I eat my food? Here's yours.
Say it, Emma.
Here, you want one? Look, here's one for you. That one can be yours.
Did you see her eyes were like... Now I have it on video that you are a food stealer.
She is. She's a little deep.
So we just got done eating at Chili's, and Nick he's just running in real quick to Best Buy to look at a television for a client of his. This one's being super crazy. Super crazy! Boo.
It's up there.
Yeah, I don't know why the video is so grainy. I hate taking videos on my phone.
What, Mom?
I'm not gonna like carry a camcorder around, you know. Are you super crazy?
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You're so crazy.
No, I'm not.
Look at you and your cute little tutu and your cute little Converse shoes. You're so cute. Emma, are you cute?
Yes, I am cute.
You're cute?
Yeah.
How cute?
I am good day.
You're gonna drive?
Yeah.
Oh no. I don't know if I want to be in the car then.
Yeah, he can't go eat. Hey,
Where are we gonna drive to? Where are you taking us?
it's Ian.
To Disneyland?
Oh,
Yeah.
no, it's not looking.
Ever since we got back from Disneyland, she has been like obsessed. Huh, Emma?
Mommy, it's not looking.
She tells me like 5 times a day that she wants to go to Disneyland. And I guess it just had a huge impact on her, so it's okay. Mommy wants to go back too.
Hi, go Ian.
We're gonna drive us to Disneyland? Oh, I don't know how you're gonna get us there. Your feet don't even reach the pedals.
There's a spider.
There's a spider. I don't see a spider up there.
Yeah.
Where? There's no spider.
See, that's
I don't see any spider up there.
Mommy.
What? Oh no! Oh no! Come here. The phase we've kind of gotten into with her is spiders. She's like been so deathly afraid of spiders lately, huh? Oh my goodness! Oh, help me! Oh no, I'm getting attacked! Boo! Boo! So yeah,
It's sliding down.
huh?
It's sliding down.
Is what?
It's sliding down.
The spider went down?
Yeah.
Where did it go?
Right there.
Did it go away?
No.
Did he go back to his house?
No.
No? Well, then where did he go?
Right there.
He's still there?
Yeah.
There's actually no spider there, silly. That's just a dirty spot on the window.
Is it dirty?
Yeah.
What's dirty?
Your daddy needs to hurry up and get out, huh? Because we still need to go to Walmart.
Daddy.
Yeah! Oh my goodness. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, kisses? Okay, give kiss. Whoop, give kiss. Oh, and a hug. Oh, so nice. She gave you guys all a kiss and a hug. Bye.